Approving design changes on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is easy. In this situation, I've received a notification that a design change needs to be approved by me. An earlier design review meeting has created several issues that need to be resolved. Expanding the issue, weight reduction, you can see the parts affected and the change management objects created to resolve it. I will review the proposed changes using the 3D Markup widget. 3D Markup shows proposed changes and design intent in 3D in order to promote clarity. In this case, I see the change made and I say approved. Going back to the issue tree, the change action that will resolve the issue needs to be approved. In this case, the relevant CA is the design CA. Opening this up, I can inspect both the original and modified parts. This is done using the Innovia Compare widget. Dragging down the modified part, then opening up the revisions in order to view the original. As you can see here, the original is overlaid on the modified part. After reviewing it, this change is going to be approved as we select the maturity and promote it to in approval. Additionally, a groundbreaking feature unique to the platform is the ability to perform these actions on the go, anywhere in the world on any device. This is shown here on my iPhone.